some of you won't believe, but that's the way it goes. I'm feeling rough and she knows why.